Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Salesforce CRM integration with no-code apps, full guide step-by-step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Salesforce website. Log into your Salesforce account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the App Exchange link at the top of the page. Click on the App Exchange link to open the App Exchange Marketplace. In the search bar, type no-code integration apps. Review the search results for popular no-code integration applications. Select an app that meets your integration needs by clicking on its listing. On the apps page, read the description and reviews for more information. Find the Get It Now button and click on it to begin the installation process. Choose whether you want to install the app in a production environment or a sandbox. After selecting your option, click Install and follow the prompts. Accept the terms and conditions to proceed with the installation. You may be prompted to log in again to confirm your identity. Once logged in, confirm the installation by clicking the Confirm button. The installation process will initiate, and you will see a progress bar. Once installation is complete, you will receive a confirmation message. Next, navigate to your Salesforce dashboard. Locate the App Launcher icon in the upper left corner. Click on the App Launcher to view all installed applications. Find the newly installed integration app and click on it to open. Follow the app's setup instructions to connect it with your existing Salesforce configurations. Complete any required fields during the setup process. Once the setup is finished, test the integration to ensure it works as expected. If any troubleshooting is needed, refer to the app's support documentation. Now you have successfully integrated a no-code app with Salesforce CRM. Feel free to explore additional features the app offers to enhance your workflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.